All right, if you just looked out the window today, it looked a lot like yesterday did. And so you kind of braced yourself for it being kind of chilly again, and you open the door and go, whoa, okay, this is way different than what we saw 24 hours ago.
Absolutely. I mean, humid, warm, breezy. It's certainly sticky. Yeah, it didn't feel like it did a few days ago. And that's going to continue for tomorrow.
And you can kind of feel it getting juiced up out there for possible storms.
Absolutely. And that's the reason why whenever this front comes through late Thursday into Friday morning, we're going to see the potential for some strong to severe storms. Now, I do want to emphasize not everyone sees severe weather this time around. This is going to be a very scattered, severe event, but most of us will see rain. Most of us will see thunderstorms as this front pushes through. So here's a look at our severe weather outlook. We have a big portion of North Texas under a slight risk. That is a level 2 out of 5 for the likelihood of strong to severe storms. Most of this will happen somewhere along and west of I-35. And you can see Wise County, Denton, Collin County, Tarrant County, all included in that slight risk. The main concern will be the potential for hail up to quarter sized, as well as the potential for strong winds up to 60 miles per hour. There is a very low end for an isolated tornado, and also looking at a really small flood threat just with the strongest of storms. Most of us, again, will not see that concern. Here's our timeline, though. This is throughout the day today. You see just the cloud cover out there. Tomorrow morning is when we start to see some showers. This will be better coverage than what we saw today. About 20% coverage of rain through the day Thursday, but most of Thursday is going to be cloudy, breezy, warm with just scattered showers out there. It's not till Thursday night that we start to see the threat for strong storms. So I'm going to take you there. This is Thursday, now 10, starting to see a little activity far west of here, just north of Abilene. That's where we see thunderstorms first initiate. This is now after midnight, 2 in the morning on Friday. We see this thunderstorm really start to take shape in more of a line, a linear form, as this front approaches the rest of North Texas. So that front is going to help push these storms into the area. This is now Friday, 4 in the morning. You can see a well-developed line here along the leading edge is where we could see the potential for strong winds. So this line eventually makes it to the I-35 corridor counties, including Denton, Tarrant County, between 4 and 5 in the morning. This is now 6 in the morning. These storms are still there. This is now 7. A lot of us commuting around that time. This is now 8. Now just more of a broken line. This is now 9. This front finishes pushing through the area, and behind this front, it'll be drier and we'll see clearing. By midday on Friday, a lot of us will be dry, and a few storms will still be ongoing across our eastern counties. We could quickly pick up anywhere between 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, most of that happening Friday morning. This is what it looks like outside, though. A few of our cameras are showing a little bit of clearing here and there, but otherwise mostly cloudy. A temperature right now of 81 degrees at DBU, 83 at DFW Airport. We made it into the 80s just before 2 this afternoon. And look at that. It feels like 84 degrees. So there is a really small heat index this afternoon, as our winds are sustained at about 21 miles per hour. A few wind gusts, though, close to 25, 26 miles per hour in the Metroplex. I have seen close to 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts this afternoon on our charts, and that's going to continue through tomorrow. That wind, by the way, really kicking up our allergens. Oak, hackberry, maple, all on the pollen charts today at a high count. Fungus still at a low count for this afternoon. Here's a look at that cloud cover. Again, pretty consistent across much of the area with a few breaks here and there, but for the most part, it'll stay consistent tonight as well. We drop to about 79 degrees around 7, 75 degrees around 9. The winds stay elevated throughout the evening, and tomorrow the high temperature still makes it into the 80s again, about 82 degrees in Dallas, 81 in Fort Worth, 80 in Denton, 81 in McKinney. Our front that comes through late Thursday, Friday morning doesn't do too much to our temperatures. Highs will still be in the mid-70s, above what's considered normal for this time of the year. And another front comes in late Sunday into Monday. That brings our next opportunity for rain, although it is very small opportunity for rain after we see our round of storms here Thursday night into Friday morning. So tonight it's going to be humid, warm, breezy. Tomorrow more of the same, and then we see those storms coming in Friday morning. We'll start to dry out by the afternoon Friday. Friday afternoon and Saturday looking fantastic with highs in the 70s, and finally a little bit of sunshine. Back to you.